Hello everyone, my name is Chelsea Amelia Pratama, with student ID number 10224007, majoring in accounting. Here I want to tell a title about a family voice in the park. In the park, the Jones family is in the park today. The sun is shining and the birds are singing. It's beautiful day. Mr. Jones reading the newspaper. Mrs. Jones is listening to the radio. Sally and Patty Jones are studying, and Tommy Jones playing the guitar. The Jones family is very happy today. It's a beautiful day, and they're in the park. Well, maybe that's the story I can tell you. Thank you for listening. See you next time.